Now, there's a lot of these sites out in Australia and America, like Kickstarter. Who's heard of Kickstarter campaigns? Yeah, GoFundMe campaigns. There's a lot of those crowd-sourcing funds. In fact, the first product to come on Amazon via a Kickstarter campaign was this esky. It's called it was an esky which had a blender on it, which had a radio inbuilt into the esky, and it had like something else as well on it, like a USB thing you can plug and charge up your phones. It was actually started off on Indiegogo, on a crowdfunding site. So basically they listed the product, say, hey guys, this is what we're going to do. We're going to put an esky up there, we want to have a blender attached, we want to be able to charge your USB devices. We're thinking $40, basically $40-50. Give us the money, and essentially what they do, if you donate money, you're on the wait list or something, you get the first product, right? But then they end up putting it on Amazon and it became a bestseller. There's a product now, I won't mention it because I know there's a student here doing it, but it was a Kickstarter campaign in October last year. They raised something like $25,000. It's an Australian business that raised 25 grand for this particular product. It is insane. It's not on Amazon yet, but it will be. And it is it's in the baby niche, and it's a great product. I know this is going to explode, but the thing is, because it's so new, it's not even on Alibaba yet. It's not even on these Chinese websites, so you kind of have to give it a bit of time for it to hit the website. And when it does, one supplier does it, then suddenly the second supplier does it, and the third supplier then it's easier for you guys to connect with them, it's easier for you guys to negotiate better deals, but you have to kind of wait some time.